Hi there. I'm so glad you're here. If you're feeling restless, distracted, or like your mind just won't slow down, take a deep breath with me. This is your time to pause, to reset, and to gently find your way back to calm. Let's begin together. First, let's get comfortable. Sit or lie down, whatever feels good for you. If you're sitting, let your feet rest flat on the floor. If you're lying down, let your body feel heavy, like it's sinking into the surface beneath you. Close your eyes if that feels right, or just soften your gaze. This is your time. Let's make it count. Let's start with 3 deep breaths. Ready? Inhale slowly through your nose, let your chest rise, and exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. One more time, inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Already, you're creating space for calm. Now, let's check in with how you're feeling. If you're restless, that's okay. Restlessness is just energy looking for a place to go. Instead of fighting it, let's give it some gentle attention. Imagine your restlessness as a wave in the ocean. It rises, it peaks, and then it settles. You're not the wave, you're the ocean, calm and deep beneath it. Let's bring our attention to your body. Start at the top of your head. Notice any sensations. There may be warmth, tingling, or even tension. Now, slowly move your awareness down to your forehead, your cheeks, your jaw. If you notice any tightness, imagine it softening with each exhale. Let it go. Continue moving down your body, your neck, shoulders, arms, and hands. Let them feel heavy and relaxed. Notice your chest rising and falling with each breath. Feel your belly, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just gently guide it back to this moment. Now, imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you. This light is peace, calm, and stillness. With every breath, feel it gently wrapping around you, soothing any restlessness or unease. Let it fill every part of you, bringing a sense of ease and quiet. If thoughts or worries arise, that's completely normal. Imagine placing them on a leaf and watching them float down a gentle stream. You don't have to hold on to them right now. Just let them go and return to the warmth of the golden light. Take a moment to appreciate this stillness. Even if it feels small, it's here. You've created this space for yourself, and that's something to be proud of. Rest here for as long as you need. When you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently bring movement back into your body. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes if they've been closed. Carry this sense of calm with you as you move through your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. If you'd like to return to this practice, remember, it's okay to feel restless sometimes. You always have the power to pause, breathe, and come back to calm.